This is the remote key battery coming two-piece set. This is a Mercedes original Benz, and there is also made in Indonesia and related to Mercedes-Benz, Stuttgart, Germany, and best before of reserve. You can see all details here, and there is also barcode, and this one also barcode, and this is original Mercedes-Benz battery. This is coming two-piece set, and there is also 60 ampere. There is rated, and behind this one all instruction about this battery, and packaging date also there is, and expiry date for like best before use. This is there is date, and this is all languages, English and German and France and Europe. This is language you can read easily instruction, and this is high performance battery remote battery. And if you are using non-genuine, so maybe it will become problem in your remote, but original always giving you good life and long life. So always buy original parts for your Mercedes vehicle key remote. So I will recommend it to you, always use original parts. And thank you so much watching this video, and like this video and subscribe our channel for more information videos about Mercedes Benz.